Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step installation of Livguard's most advanced lithium-ion battery, a next-gen power solution that makes your e-rickshaw smarter, stronger, and more efficient. Now we're placing this Livguard lithium-ion battery inside the e-rickshaw's battery box. Now the mounting bracket is being fixed to secure the battery in place. This makes sure the battery stays firm and steady, even when your e-rickshaw goes over rough or uneven roads. This is a 7 feet long universal CAN harness. No matter where the battery box is positioned, it will never fall short. This is the battery terminal. It connects directly to the battery's Anderson connector. This is the controller terminal. It connects to the controller to ensure smooth power flow. This is the charger terminal, used to charge the battery. And finally, this is the CAN SoC terminal, which connects to your SoC and shows the battery's charging percentage. This is the CAN SoC terminal, which shows both the real-time charging status and voltage of the battery. This harness goes from underneath and enters the battery box. Now connect the battery terminal to the Anderson connector of the e-rickshaw lithium battery. From the other end, bring out the charger and controller terminals from under the driver's seat like this, and securely fix the harness and the controller pins with screws. Bring out the charger terminal of this harness from underneath like this. Fix the SoC like this on the e-rickshaw handle. And connect it with the wire like this. Take this SoC extension wire. Connect it to the SoC device like this. And join the other end to the SoC extension of the harness. So friends, here's your SoC device all set up. Now you can see the voltage, it's 53 volt, and the charging is 99% charged. And there you have it, friends. Livguard lithium-ion battery installation complete. Watch your e-rickshaw run smooth, strong, and smart. The perfect combination for a powerful ride.